Our team is deep in the Pantanal, tracking one of the most elusive predators on Earth. Every minute is a battle against this immense wilderness. Every single step is a negotiation. A dry leaf cracks, echoing for meters. A rustle in the foliage. It could be anything or nothing. You're listening so hard your own heartbeat becomes a distraction. Then there's the light. Your eyes play tricks on you. Every twisted root becomes a coiled tail. The jaguar isn't just camouflaged, it's a ghost woven into the fabric of the jungle. You could be staring right at one and never know it. This isn't a documentary filmed months ago, this is a real-time expedition to find and understand jaguars. Can you truly track a ghost? We're putting that to the test. Join us for a live dispatch from the heart of the jungle. Every rustle, every shadow is a step closer to a groundbreaking discovery, and you're with us. Expedition Jaguar, seasons 2026 and 2027. For reservations visit tapira.eco.br. Tapira Expeditions, responsible ecotourism for future generations.